In this video, we're going to learn how to play the Halloween theme song. Now I'm going to show you this theme song in the style of Buckethead. And I say in the style because I haven't seen Buckethead do the whole entire theme. He does just the beginning and he changes a bass note so it doesn't exactly mirror how the theme song goes. But I'm going to show you the full version. Here it goes. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap your third finger on the 9th fret first string, followed by your first finger on the 7th fret second string, 2 times. So it does that sequence twice. It goes. Then it's 1 time on each string. Then our pinky goes to the 10th fret, back to the first finger on the 7th fret. And then the pattern repeats. So what I would do first is get that sequence down, practice it slow. Repeat. Now, you don't want to press too hard. Think of your attack as fast so that you get a very solid sound. It's very hard to not have string noise when you do this. And if you add more distortion, it's going to be even more difficult to keep it clean sounding. All right, so now let's speed it up. Hear that extra string noise? Here we go again. Also, then you're going to want to learn that melody, bring it down a half step. So you're going to practice it here. And then bring it back up. So get that down really solid. Now you can practice hands alone. So what I mean is, like a piano player would practice left hand first, then right hand. Well, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to introduce our bass notes. So we're going to take, I'm going to use my pointer finger. You could use your middle finger of your right hand. And I'm going to hit this F sharp note, 2nd fret on the 6th string. Then I'm going to go up to the 5th fret. And then 6th fret. Right? And you don't have to use delay. You can hear the delay in the background. All right, so you can practice both of them separate. Then we put it together. Okay, so now here's both hands put together. Now in the original version, it's 6 or 7 times the melody starts before the bass notes come in. For this case, we're just going to do it 2 times. So here it goes. So that's the first part. It goes 2 times. Now the tricky thing is that you move it down 1 fret. When you move it down 1 fret, your right hand finger goes to the 6th fret. So you're a line there, pointer finger and pointer finger, right? And then another helpful hint is with this hand, use your thumb as a guide behind your pointer. All right, and that's going to come in handy later too. You want to put both those hands together. The tricky thing is when you go from the 5th fret, you could practice 5th to 6th, start right there. So you're going up 1 fret with this finger, left hand's going down 1 fret with that hand or fingers. Okay, now the next part is after we do that 2 times, and we're in the 6th position with the left hand, we go down to the 5th position. The pattern's still the same, but the tricky thing is you came from the 6th fret and we need to go to an open string. So what you do is you do kind of a pull off, and we're actually pulling up like that. And it can be very light actually. Then we go 3rd fret. Then we go up to 4th fret while our left hand goes down 1 fret to 4th position. Now we pull the finger off again and then bring our left hand up a fret. So I'll play that whole part again. Now this is the tricky part. What I do is I put my thumb over the 8th fret, because what's going to happen is I'm going to move my left hand to the 12th position, and then where my thumb is guides me to hit the 7th fret while I tap the 14th fret here. That's the trickiest part, I think. So we came from this. You can kind of just go for it, but that gives you a little guide with the thumb. Now the pattern stays the same in the left hand. Then we go to the 10th fret, 12th fret, 14th fret. And then it's 1 time alone. All right, now you could do those bass note melodies here, 7th fret, 5th string, 9th fret, 5th string. If you prefer, I just decided to keep it on 1 string. So I'll play that whole sequence again. It goes 2 times. And then it repeats the whole pattern back to the beginning, etc. So when you're done with the bass notes going 7, 10, 12, 14, you play 1 single one, drop it down to the 7th position, and then play 4 of them. And then start the whole sequence over again, and I believe it ends 4 times on this last thing again and then just stops. Now here's a performance of the whole theme. So it's very tough to play that through really clean. I mean, I could probably do 30 more takes and maybe get a better one. So it is pretty advanced. For me anyway, I find it very tough to make it clean without all these artifacts. Hope you had a lot of fun learning this theme and watching this video. Again, it really helps out the channel if you can like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, if you want free charts of scales, chords, and exercises, check out the link down below in the description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.